The topic of this video is how to follow everyone on Threads. So, let's begin. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone. Then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, requiring users to have Instagram and use Threads with the same identity. Open the main page of the Threads account, then open your profile by pressing the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Your profile will be open. Now press the glob icon in the upper left corner. The menu will appear with different options like private profile, mentions, muted, hidden words, profiles you follow, etc. Press the Profiles You Follow option. The list of followings will appear. Press See All here. A full list of following will be shown. If you see there is a Follow All option at the bottom bar, although you can also follow individually, but if you want to follow them all, simply tap that option. A pop-up confirmation message will appear. Press Confirm, and all these profiles are now added to your following list. So, this was the easiest way to follow everyone on your Threads account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.